This silly sound is more than just fun. It's great for building speech skills. This is a playful activity to help your child become more aware of their lip movement and tension. It's called the pop sound game. Show your child how to press their lips together and pull them apart to make a little pop sound. Let your child try it at their own pace. Slow pops, then fast ones. This helps them build coordination and control. If the popping sound doesn't come at first, just have your child gently close their lips and pull them apart slowly. This sound may come with practice, and that's perfectly fine. You can use this as a silly warm-up before speech practice or during pretend play. Ask your child to pop like a balloon or pop like a bubble. Pop by pop, your child's lips are getting stronger and more coordinated.